To understand how to use a graphing calculator to do questions which involves un+1 as well as un, okay, so first it is important that you write down u1 is equals to 3, and you know that u2 is equals to 2 of u1 minus 1. Because of n+1 is 2, then un is 1. Okay, that would be 2 bracket 3 minus 1. You will need the first two terms, okay, before you can use your calculator. So when you are at your calculator, you go to mode and change it to sequence form. Now go to your y equals to, and you will see this table over here. I think the starting part you will have is this un equals to what, but if you, because you want your equation to be in terms of un+1, right? So you go to the top, then scroll to the right, and then enter to un, sequence of n+1. So what is un+1? Now the small u is the blue u over here at second function 7. So you press second function 7, that would be the small u. Do not confuse it with the big U that is the green one. Okay, so in this case it is 2 of u. Now n, okay, n in this case is the X button that you're going to always press, and then so this will be un minus 1. So this is the formula for your sequence. You need the first two terms, so you already work out u1 is equals to 3, and then u2 is equals to 5, and then now you press your second function table, which will give you all the values with u1, u2, u3, u4, u5, u6, u7, u8, u9, u10, so on and so forth. And the question is asking for u20. Be careful, u20 is a very big number. So if you didn't go to this cell over here, you will see that it's 1.05 E6. That would be 1.05 times 10 to the power 6. But in this case, from GC, u20 is equals to 1048,577. Alright, so for part B, the question wants the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay, so you understanding the summation sign, we are talking about the first term to the 20th term, sorry, to the 10th term. Okay, how do I replicate this on my GC? Okay, so again, second function quit, come to this main part. We know that we need a summation that will be under math. Scroll down until you see number 0, summation. Okay, so let's input the formula first. That would be un. Okay, second function 7, that will be u, open bracket. You can put n over here. I don't think it doesn't matter. Now then we can replicate the whole thing from n equals to 1 up to the first 10 terms, means up to u10. Okay, and then now I press enter, I'm going to get 2056, and this is how you can easily get the values from using your GC. Next, u2 plus u4 plus all the way plus u20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to 20 are all even numbers. All even numbers can be represented as 2n. Okay, and then same thing, n is equals to 1, and then we are just looking for un from 1 up to, okay, sorry, this is not the correct way. We want all the even values of n, so that will be u2n, yeah, from the first term up to the 10th term, because when 2 times 10, that will be 20 already. Okay, so all I need to do is to, using the same method, press math number 0, that will give you a summation, n equals to 1 up to 10 terms only, because u2 to u20 there's only 10 terms. Second function u, open bracket, n+1, sorry, 2n. Okay, close, and then you just need to press enter, and you are going to get the sum of the first 10 even terms. And this is how you use the calculator for un+1 types of question in sequence and series.